The Kennet Avon Canal Trust purchased from the Canal and River Trust a small stone and brick building on the Crofton site. The building was almost certainly the old smith's shop during most of Crofton's life, and has been used as a workshop for a long time since. Crofton is lucky with its volunteer base. We have electricians, plumbers, carpenters, painters and decorators, welders and a small army of volunteers who can turn their hands to everything from trenching to floor laying.
This is our old Smithy building, which for some years was just used as a bit of a storeroom, but now we're converting it into a combination of a classroom and a place where we can house our cafe offering when we're open on steaming days. And so what we've had to do, first of all, was to clear it out. Then we've preserved the original building by woodworm treatment of the roof and cleaning up the walls, cleaning the stonework, painting the walls with a special paint. And now what we're doing, the floor was originally just some very poorly laid concrete and it was a bit damp. So we've now laid a floor over the top of it, which is made using recycled scaffolding boards that we managed to obtain. So we're just about finished laying that floor now. The other thing we're having to do is renew all of the electrics that were in here. We've changed the electricity supply was coming from the Canals and Rivers Trust. We're now changing that so we've got our own supply from our own switchboard, and we're changing all the switches and lights, etc. And the final stage will be to lay a counter across here, which will be used for our tea and coffee, cakes, that sort of thing, when we're open on a steaming day. So that'll come across here. We've got an old bench which we took out here, but we're going to put that back because we're keen to keep it looking as much as possible like an old smithy. We don't want to sort of modernise it completely, and so I hope it'll look the part when we're finished. Today's our first day open and it does look absolutely fantastic, so I hope you'll enjoy using it when you come to visit our site.
We have just completed a highly successful first day of operation during our Great Easter steam-up. Our guests enjoyed refreshments, cake and a wonderful spot to sit.
Turn around and say that. This is the one we're looking at.